this is what the complete system looks like from behind. So the trunk closing mechanism of my Highlander 2013 is not working. You see what happens. It does not close. It just senses something is there, or I'm not sure, something is getting stuck here. So it's not closing. Let me open it up and see what the problem is. So I'll try to access the motor which is behind this, and for that I think I need to remove these panels. Let's see how it goes. So just pulling it out like this. Few other maybe clips here. Yeah, it should come as screw. And let's see then. This is a Phillips screw. Screw has been removed. What's this? Okay, this is held in place by a 10mm socket. I forgot to refocus the camera. Here I am removing the connecting rod's bolt. This is the nut which I removed and then tried to swing a full operation of it. So it wasn't working. So let's see if I can open and close the trunk from the inside now, what happens. So the entire assembly is behind this panel. This panel is locked through one pin here, and then each and every hole here is secured through pins like these going all the way in there. I just started yanking at it and I was able to make a lot of room in here. I wasn't afraid that I'm going to break some of these locks. And that is the only way I was able to make some room in here. This is it. And the way it goes in here is like this. So 2 bolts on this side, on there, and 2 bolts here, both 10mm. So 4 bolts are securing it over there. It seems to be fine. I'm not sure what is the problem. So I'll try to investigate some more and then see what solution do I get. So continuing the installation, I had removed the auto rear lift gate opener mechanism from inside there, and that arm was connected, screwed in here. In this section of the video, I'm trying to make space for connecting the 2 bolts which are on the rear side of this motor mechanism and also to connect the wiring harness. It was proving very difficult to install the bolts and the wiring harness, so I decided to remove this panel completely and get full access and then be able to do the job easily. This is how the entire motor mechanism looks behind the panel. Now it is installed. I'm just going to do the final tightening. So this is what the complete system looks like from behind, as you can see here. Now trying to install all the panels back and then realizing what I have gotten myself into. It's not easy. It took a lot of time, probably 30-40 minutes when I finally figured out how to do that, and then I was able to fully install it. So I have installed everything back, but the problem is still not solved. As you will see here, it is still doing the same thing. So I'm not sure what is going on. I'll do some more online research and I may find something. Now that I have done it once, I can do it second time also. Maybe the motor is weak now after years of use, so maybe it requires replacement. So, but whatever it is, this whole exercise, I found out how it all is placed in there, how it is working, but I could not fix the problem. In case anyone has a solution, please do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.